live. Okay, so we are live, yeah. So if anyone knows how to find the live link, no, I don't know how to find the live link, to be honest with you.
I
Usually,
too, I too do not know, uncle.
let me see who is here as well. Let me see. Sheena is here as well. Okay.
Assalamualaikum,
Um,
uncle.
let me try and see on our YouTube channel itself. Is it
No,
coming?
I can do, uncle. Where should I click? Where should
Okay,
I put?
like you can put it in Naveen. You put it. You can put it in our Discord group, yeah.
Right, okay, I'll do right,
And
okay.
also, if you can put it here for us,
Okay,
so anybody from here, they can put it for other people as well, no? Because if you put the link here as well, then others can give it. Others can give it to everybody as well. Because otherwise, what happens with this silly thing is once you reach about 10 people or whatever, then it doesn't let other people come in.
okay.
Oh, sure. Sister, well, you're very, very kind, I'm an ugly monster. No, but it's good to be back. Good to be back, Good to be back. And inshallah, from not Monday, but Tuesday, because Monday I have to take wife to chemotherapy. From Tuesday, we should be back to normal, yeah? Dobro dan, dobro jutro. Dobro jutro, brat. Yeah, can you put Naveen, whoever it was, put the YouTube link here as well? Oops. Anybody? Oh, Bismillah. I'm looking for the YouTube link. If you can put it here. Trying to see if we have a YouTube link here. No. No. Sorry, that's music. Yeah, that's music. Trying to find our YouTube link, to be honest with you. No. No. Wow, where are you hiding? No. No. Oops. Oh. Aha. Copy. So now maybe we can do this one. I can put it as, I'll give it to Rizwan or anybody in case if you want it from YouTube as well. In case you get knocked out or anything, you can come from YouTube, yeah? We can put it in. Written by. Okay. We can put it in our that one, and I can put it here as well. So if you want to give it to your friends or anybody or whatever, is welcome as well. Yeah. So, before we start, wishing you all. I know it's late, but Happy New Year and may the best of 2022 for everybody. Yeah. I have a lot of while being away, a lot of things formulating in my head and things like that or whatever. So we will implement those in the new year now. Danish, welcome as well. Anybody who wants to come on mic or anything, you can shout now. I can put you on now. Device not connected. Shanawaz, okay. Sheena, okay. Welcome, Sheena. I can, yeah. And put a comment in, the not private, but just use one side, either private chat or the comment section here. Yeah, this is the YouTube link. Yeah, just use one side, sir. So that way because it's only me alone, yeah. Somebody is trying, 12 people, somebody trying to come in but can't get in, yeah. So maybe our normal, what you would say as our Templars, yeah. If you can log out and use the YouTube link and come in, that will get us more people to come in, yeah. But shout, talk, something, say something, do something, whatever, yeah. My voice is hearing double. Is it same now? Is it echo? Aha, could be. Let me see
It's
if this.
normal for me.
What I will. Oh no, because yeah. Now okay.
It's always been alright. I think somebody's got two links open. They might have your stream and YouTube.
Oh, okay. Because much of the YouTube and that one both working at the same time. Okay. Because after quite a while I've opened this thing, and machines have a mind of their own. So okay. So we give a couple of minutes and then we can. Like I said, I'm near half blind, but we can start from things. Yeah. I can add this. Anybody wants to add to voice out? Yeah. So how have you all been so far? Everything looking good? Everything fine?
Me and Adam, we stay out the market.
Okay.
What?
No. Look. Being out is a good discipline as well. Yeah. Now you can get back in, and what you said. I think about a while back. I can't remember. Maybe around Christmas time or whatever. I think when we were at around 1836 area, I did say sell it and hold it a bit, yeah, and we will come to around 1800 and lower. I think it done that couple of days ago, maybe yesterday now. But now we're talking gold, yeah, and gold as well. Now look to sell the rally. We are just thinking from charts and not calculation so much. We are at the 618 retracement area as well, yeah. And when we look at it, it is doing a ABCD down as well, yeah. So sell the rally, and when it does take a move down, um, the first targets we are talking. Obviously, there is supports in between, but you are looking for around 1727, 1737 area, yeah. That is what you need to keep in mind. So you can sell the rallies and you can buy the dips as hit and runs, yeah. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, it's at S&P, yeah. I believe you had the FOMC or whatever. Whoops. I think I'm going to put everyone on voice, so at least I get somebody talking to me, yeah. ALB is somebody new, I think.
I only watched gold on FOMC.
Okay,
I'm a
I'll
gold.
put everyone on stream, yeah. So
So can
don't
you
all
hear me?
shout at one same time. And obviously, if you got noise at the back, or then mute yourself and then come back in again, kind of thing, yeah. So S&P, immediate look. Obviously, at weekend I'm going to work more on it. S&P is sell the rallies as well, and I think in the coming week or weeks you're going to see extreme weakness in the indexes, yeah. So we're going to go much lower. Yeah. Okay. So everybody, okay,
Uncle
anybody?
Sharif.
Yes, I can hear you, Sheena. Tishin, you okay?
Yes, hi, hi. How are you?
I'm good. Good, good, good.
Yeah. The Dow Jones this week was really on a sideways trend, right?
I haven't even looked at the charts. I'll be honest with you. I haven't even I've done the calculation. But,
I saw
but,
it. I saw it very sideways,
but,
just
but
at the low.
yeah, but all I will say is what S&P does is what Dow is going to do. So Dow is going to go much lower, and without looking at even the numbers, we'll look at it next. But what you need to remember is 7 times 7 times 7, 34300 area is very important. Yeah, but we're
All
going much
right.
lower. We're going much lower. So let's see Dow
All
Jones.
right.
See, 343 was very important or no? Can you see?
Uh-huh.
You see what I mean? Look, 7 times 7 times 7 equals 343. Yeah, you can put 343, you can put as many zeros as you like. This is 343, yes?
Sarif bhai, can you share your screen, please?
Yeah, the screen is not visible, sir.
Hey?
Screen is not visible, uncle.
Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I told you I am blind, yeah? I'm blind. Now you believe me. Now you can see my screen, yeah? So let's
Yes,
start
yes.
again. Let's go back a bit, yeah? Let's go back a bit. Thank you. Yeah, and also do one thing. Take the numbers down, yeah? Take the numbers down, yeah? The daily levels, okay? Take the numbers down, yeah? Make sure that I give you all the numbers, yeah? Well, later today you will get a rally and then a droppers, yeah? But now in S&P you need to sell the rallies, okay? STR, sell the rallies, yeah? Now we said 343 is important, yeah? Okay. So now, and as you can see, look, that the Templars know this 7 times 7 times 7, yeah? And just put a line here. Can you see 343? Look what happened. Yes? But we're going to go pop-ups, but we're going to go much lower. Huh? We're going to go much lower in the coming week. So, okay. And like I said, today is just for fun. Well, not fun. Today is just me. I was missing you all people a lot. So I said, even if I'm blind, I will talk blind. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I'll talk blind. Yeah. Okay. So Danish is new.
No, sir, I'm from India.
No, I know you're from India, but first time here?
No.
Okay. Because no, I got confused with somebody else.
Yeah.
Okay. Danesh. I was mixing with Danesh. Okay. Nasdaq will be similar story. Yep, same thing. Okay. But please make sure you get these numbers, yeah, because from Monday then I will re-update them and you will get better. We know where we've been and where we are going. Nifty having a bad time? Is it election stuff in India? I don't know. Okay, watch this one as well. It will pop and it will drop. And I wouldn't be surprised if Mr. Modi is saying to all the investors and everybody to put money into the market now, yeah? Okay. This is FTSE. FTSE, same thing, same as the other one. But also, can you see in FTSE something? Can you see in FTSE something? He likes McDonald's, yeah? Can you see McDonald's? And you can also think of it as ABC and then downer. Okay. Okay. French. Nobody looks here at it much, but same thing, M and down. Oil, where are we doing in oil? Okay. Aha, nice. Oil, look to sell the rally as well, okay? Look to sell the rally as well. Keep in mind the 88, 88, 20 area is important, okay? And we call it the three fat ladies, yeah? 88, 88, 81. So oil, look for rally to sell. Okay, anybody, any questions, anything, shout away, please. This is Brent oil, yeah? Brent is at 90. Okay, need to wait for next Wednesday. Let's see what happens. Same thing, it will be a seller, yeah? Gold, okay. Gold, as I said, is we are looking for it to sell the rallies. Look for nice pop-ups to sell. So you can buy the dips as scalps, okay? Get your stop at break even as fast as you can and scalp it. But you want to make like a mini swing short, yeah? Mini swing short. And the idea would be, because it's a B, C, D down. Sorry, I can't draw A, B, C, D, yeah? Down. So we are near here. It will doing the C. Now we want it to come down. And 1747 is very important, okay? 1747. But this 1727, 37 is your kind of target on this immediate moves.
What would you say major sell areas level would be?
But okay, let's break it down a bit, yeah? So what was the high recently? 1846?
Yeah, somewhere around there.
I don't know. I haven't looked at the.
Yeah, I went to around 1850.
So I'm only going by head. I haven't looked at charts. Yeah, so you know.
I'll be looking. It went around 1850.
1853,
Yeah.
40.
Okay, so this was 1872. Around here we are at around 1850. Yeah, this is 1872. Yeah. And the low we've been to around is around 1750, say, yeah? And we said, so all you do is take this line here. Forget even this one here for the moment, huh? See, we've been tracking up. And we had a trend line. We've broken that range line, okay? And take the middle line, yeah? So if we just took this from here to here roughly, yeah? I'm not even taking this part, just from anywhere around here. Say 1780, yeah, to 1850. There's a difference of about 70, yeah. So if it jumps up from here to around here, our magic number 1818 area, you can start to sell. But really, what you should do is, once it gets to around this 1805, 1808 area, you should put in a very small sell first. You know, like we call it a ladder, yeah? Like we call it a ladder. So what you do is you make a ladder. So this band of 1805, 1808, you put your first position. Then only, because you're doing a mini swing, yeah? So you want to look at the next area at around this 1818 area, yeah, to add your second position. And the other one, just leave it until it tops out. So it could even be like 1830, 1840 area. Say we just say even 1840, yeah. So you are having 3 positions maximum, but very small. No big lots, okay? And then when it comes down, when it comes to 1747, you can trim off the positions and keep a few running. And then the same thing, when it pops up, edit back in. Pops up, edit back in again until it gets to this 1727, 1737 area. Yes?
Yeah,
Like I
that makes sense.
Yeah, and like I said, this area here where we are at is, if you did your Fibonacci's and whatever, it will come to around the 618 area. Yeah, so it's quite important.
Would you say though, I don't know if you remember, it was quite a while ago, you were mentioning the BTFD in gold. Would you say that's still to come?
Yes, because the fire of London is not dead. It is going to come. Believe you me, it's going to come. Fire of London is not dead, yeah? But first what we want to do is cream it, and then we wait, and then cream it again and wait, and then cream it again and wait, yeah? And as I said, when it does a pop up, so what you are doing is you're doing a mini swing sell, yeah, which you are going to hold, yeah, but you need it small, manageable, yeah, so you can hold it. You never panic with it. When it rallies, what you do is you take a buy, but as soon as you take a buy, your first priority is get the stop to break even. Okay, and then when it goes up, lock in a little bit of profit and keep going with it until it knocks you out. Make sense? So while you are waiting for this, the buys have to pay you money as well. Okay, make sense? But you don't want to get married to the buys. Okay, but don't worry, Monday we will do it all live trading. So not Monday, sorry, Tuesday, nah? We will do live trading. So don't worry. This is like, call it theoretical, but we will put it into practice on Monday. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. I think we've got
Makes sense, because look, now even with black glasses, I'm fine, and we will be trading together. We'll be trading together. Yeah, because one thing you know, Adam knows, all of you know, unless I physically take a position, I don't like to say do this now. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Because
true.
it's not
Yes.
fair. Because
Yeah.
it's not fair. It's not fair. Because I could from the hospital tell you do this, that, or whatever. No chance. No. It's not fair. We all have to be in it together. Yeah. And that's the best way. That's the best way. Yeah. This is a ABCD down. Okay. Right. So next we go to questions. Shout away or whatever as well, because I'm like I say, I'm blind. Yeah. So reading is a bit of an issue. Yeah. Kayur is here as well. Pranav is here as well. Welcome, everybody. Okay. Silver is same story, yeah, because silver and gold are related anyway, yeah. So it's same story. And as a matter of interest, yeah, I know you are all gold bugs, but how many here do trade silver? I know Dr. Sunil does trade silver.
Sometimes, but I
Okay.
know gold and silver, they sometimes do the opposite. I get confused.
Okay. There'll be no confusions, yeah. Okay, so euro, and then euro is on a downer, yeah. Okay, euro is at F1. So today is Friday, but it will give a pop, and then we see how it ends today, and then we do on from Monday. And you know about euro that if you take a buy in euro, you have to take a sell in USD CHF at the same time. Yeah. Yes. No.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Yep.
Okay. AUD will be weaker as well. Yeah, it's weak. Yeah. It's at F2, it makes a V shape. You can take a little long and take a little scalper. Yeah. What's Kiwi doing? Kiwi, same thing. It's at F2, put a stop under here, and see if you can get a scalp on it. Yeah. And when I say scalp as well, that doesn't mean you put a 10 lot in. Yeah. I mean, scalp is a scalp. Be reasonable. Yeah. Be reasonable. EuroJP, what are we doing? Okay, it's at MOB. Need to not a clear pattern here. Not a clear pattern here. GBP and the monster. Wow. Okay, this is a sell. This is a sell. Reason? We are at C2. We done a spike and pin down, pin bar, whatever you want to call it, yeah. And again, can you see McDonald's line in the middle, breaks it, MOB becomes a target. Breaks MOB, comes here, makes a bigger letter M. Can see? 4 triangles. Again, a trend line. Making sense, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
And see, you can even make it like into a butterfly. There you are. Okay, so next. USDJP. USDJP is a sell as well, yeah? The sell was slow, but sell. AUDJP. And make sure, like I said, if you're taking the daily levels that you get them all, yeah? Here is nothing to do until it stops and makes a V shape. There's nothing to do here. But also the market is very slow. Can you see there's hardly any moves? Look, it's hardly moving. No move. What's Looney Tune doing? Okay, it's going at C2. Let it break C2 above, make a shape, and then downer. Okay, Euro GBP. Same F2 coming up. Resistance area here. Policeman. Okay. Need to wait on this one. Okay. Euro AUD. Above C2. Wait until it bases out total here. Finishes first as out. Then. Because main thing now you need to do is because one, it's Friday, and two is we need to wait for the American market. Huh? They're all dogs in tow with the American market. Okay. NZDCHF is a small buy, yeah? But again, V shape, halfway, and you need to know, I always told you to draw the lines in between, yeah? So you need to know that. Like I said, I planned a lot of things in my head while sitting doing nothing, so hopefully we will implement all those, yeah? GBP CHF sideways. And all of you, like if you can once again, if you can do one thing for me is if you can make a list of the things that you trade, that you actively trade nearly every day or you look at all the time. If you make a list of that and give it to me, on Telegram or Discord or personal message or WhatsApp or whatever, then I will look through all that at the weekend and Monday and make a list of that and compile it. So that way, what we will do is rather than go through all the millions of all the currencies and everything, we will concentrate on only the things that you are trading.
I have a question.
Yeah.
DAX.
Huh?
DAX.
Yeah, DAX, yeah.
It might be a silly question, yeah, but how come DAX 30 changed his name to DAX 40?
Oh, did you know? Very easy. Sam, I think around not December, maybe September or October time, yeah? They added 10 more companies into the DAX.
Is it?
Since all these years, it has always been like DAX 30, yeah? DE30 around last year, September or October time, they added 10 more companies into the listing, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So that's why it became DAX 40. So now there is 40 companies in the DAX, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that was the reason. That was the reason, yeah?
Interesting.
Yeah. Okay. And same like Dow. Dow has got 30, yeah? But the difference in Dow is that they are not equal weighted, yeah, by capitalization. So in the
Yeah.
Dow, out of the 30 companies, there's about, I think, 5 or 8 which carry the majority of it, yeah. So if one or two of those companies make a big move, it manipulates the whole of the Dow, yeah. So it's
Mhm.
better to trade S&P 500 because there's 500 companies, they are equal weighted. So not one cannot cause a manipulation easily.
Yeah, that's true. That makes sense. That.
Yeah, because out of 30, say if like 3 bellwethers make a massive downer or a up, it doesn't get a bugger about the other 20, 25 or 22 or whatever. It just does a massive spike, yeah? And then it fizzles out because it was because of that reason. So that is why you get that mad moves or mad spike. And you say, how come bloody S&P is falling down, DAX is falling down, and Dow is rallying? That is the reason.
Yeah, crooks move in it. Crooks.
Yeah, and same thing applies to NASCRAP. That's why I call it NASCRAP, yeah?
Yeah.
That's why I call it not NASDAQ by name. I always call it as NASCRAP because they do all the crap in there, all this Microsoft or Netflix or Tesla or whatever. One or two of them, Apple or whatever, Amazon makes one move and it skews the whole thing up. Yeah,
Yeah.
that is why. That is why. And obviously that spike on news or whatever from them, earnings or whatever, there's a massive spike, but eventually that gets fizzled out. It's
Mm-hmm.
not that it will keep it manipulated there. They use it to their advantage and then they fizzle it out.
Yeah.
So if we are careful, we can use that. We can use that to our advantage, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Like, see, when S&P is moving down, say like 3 points, and the Dow or the DAX should move 30 points, yeah? For 1
Yeah.
point in S&P is roughly 10-point move in those two, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So if the S&P moves 3 points and the other one is moving like 70 or 80 points, then say, okay, I know the game. I am short in S&P. I can short the Dow because I can get extra 50 points for nothing, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? So then when that fizzles out, I say, okay, back to normal again. Same thing happens in gold and silver as well, yeah?
Yeah.
About those people who trade silver, I'll write an article on it maybe when I get chance, my eyes are better. But regarding silver trading, it is all hocus pocus. Point being, the amount of physical silver that is there, and obviously same with gold, there is not that much in the ground, okay? So we're trading on fresh air. And second one, silver is not accountable in that what it is between the cartel of banks, the Hong Kong, Shanghai, Midland, we call it Barclays, whatever banks we take, Swiss ones, whatever. Between these 5 or 10 banks, they pass the power of silver to them they hold it, yeah. They are the main bosses, yeah. But they never let an audit to be done. So when you ask somebody how much silver is there, they don't even tell you how much is there or not there. So then do under the counter trading a lot with that, yeah. Is similar to a situation like we can say the American dollar. The US government does not print the American dollar. It is printed by the Fed, which is a private company. Yeah, so things of that nature. Okay, here as well, AUD, nothing, CAD, CHF. Nope, nothing doing here as well. CAD, JAPI, nothing doing. GB, PAUD, I think sometimes they do trade it. Okay, it's well above C2. So you have to wait until it finishes, and it usually does like a spiker mad move and then comes down like crazy, yeah? See, there's a spiker move and then comes down like crazy. So similar situation, spiker move and crazy down. So you can look at GBP AUD to take a small sell later, not now, not now. Because remember one thing, we do not want to try and find the exact top or exact bottom in the market. No? That's a mug's game. Many a time or few times you will find it, you will get it or whatever. No? But that is rare. That is rare. Best is to plan your trade and then trade the plan. So look for a meaningful high or a low and then trade from that. Yeah. If you are looking for bottom picking or top picking, then things can go wrong. No? Things can go wrong. So, and once, if you miss the top, it's no big deal. In fact, it's a blessing, no? Because say, for example, it makes this as the top and you miss this part, yeah? You should be happy. You know that this area is not breaking. I can safely take a sell and hold it all the way because this part is not breaking. Instead of saying, this is the top and I'm looking for a top, yeah? It has already made the top. It has sealed it. You know it can't go above that. You know your risk. You can't go above that. You put your stop above that. Yeah? And you give it a bit of breathing space, which is this one here. Yeah? That's it. Okay. Eurocard. Nope, nothing there. Cocoa, okay. Well, nice cap down. Okay, Cocoa down. Where are we? CHF JP. Don't think anyone trades that. Well down. VIX. Aha, this is good. Okay. VIX, watch this one. We'll see it on Monday. We'll trade it because I trade it quite a lot. And it will be looking for a sell, yeah? We'll be looking for a sell in the VIX. Mexicano, no one trades it. Said DJP. Nope, nothing there. Dollar index will be around 97, 98, yeah, 98, yeah, 97. So if the dollar index is going up, this is general, not only from that, no? There's a general thing. For euro, you need to watch USD CHF. As if you buy euro, you sell USD CHF. And also you keep an eye on the US dollar index. The reason being is in the basket of currencies that makes the dollar index, euro is around nearly 60% of that weight. So if the dollar index is going up, by right, euro should be trickling downwards, yeah? So you can keep if you're trading euro, you should have the euro USD, USD CHF, and the dollar index chart all side by side. So that way you know. one weakens, the other one strengthens. Yeah, you can use that in trading to scalp in and out as well. Okay. This is South African gold currency. Okay, we are at 15.5. No, nothing doing here. Nothing doing here. What is Dr. Copper saying? Okay. Remember what it says, Dr. Copper, yeah? Because the floor traders watch it, whether the trade is or not from way when, the Dow, Charles Dow started the Dow and whatever have you, yeah? So many a time when the copper turns down, S&P turns down as well. Yeah, it gives you like an indication that the S&P is going to fall, okay? Or the Dow is going to fall. So, and you can see, look here, how it's been falling. 1, 2, 3, pop up down. And this one as well, you can think of it as, see, ABCD is down. And we got our letter M here as well. But hopefully we will trade all those coming from Tuesday, yeah? Because I do trade it. I do trade copper. Platinum, boom, down as well. So metals are down. Soybean, crazy market, wow, 1451. No, this one we watch only. And I wouldn't recommend everyone to trade soybeans because it's a monster, yeah? You will have gap ups, limit downs, and you need very deep pockets, yeah? You need very deep pockets. It's a monster and a half. It's a monster and a half. Nat gas. Okay, nat gas is popping up nicely as well. Comes around C2, then you need to see if you can take a small sell in it, but otherwise nothing doing. Okay, Rizwan, finally to Bitcoin. Wow, slow for Bitcoin, isn't it?
I hear a lot of people saying that Bitcoin will go to 30,000. That's where you should buy. So I don't know what you think of that.
Let's see, but it is a downer. It's a downer. And remember, I had been shorting it and whatever. Remember when we were in 60s, yeah?
Yeah.
48, and I used to put, and when Attila used to come, he's of course he's a Bitcoin, crypto trader to, in Turkey, and we would talk about it, and many times I would take a live trade in front of everyone as well. But I will work on it. Like I said, look, I know it's down. Till where, I don't know yet. But if I were to tell you, I don't want to put my eyes are gone, but I don't want to put my neck on the line. Yeah, but I would say to, as a guess, yeah, that you will see around 25 in it.
That's very low. That's bargain price.
Yeah, no, it's not, because look back in our Telegram as well. I posted a while back some charts and things, a full study on Bitcoin. Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that you used to say, 8,000, 11,000 or something like that.
Yeah, and I put a full chart in there as well, that it has had like about 10 or 12 absolute, liquidations nearly, of 80%.
That's crazy. I would have thought that 8,000.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying that, when you see, like, the idea is you can never say how high it will go or how low it will go, yeah? But if you look at something that moves like, say, 300 points, for that thing to move 3,000 points is crazy, yeah? Or we think it's crazy, yeah? But something like Bitcoin, which is moving in thousands of points in a day, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And if we look at let's just look roughly a chart. I mean, look, we've come from 70,000 we've got to say 35,000. That is 35,000 points.
Yeah, it's like half, near. Pretty
Huh?
much half.
So why can't it go from here another 10 or 15,000 points, which is around 2025, like we are saying? Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
See what I'm saying? And also look here, very carefully, look here, just roughly, yeah? Look where we are. We are on trend, aren't we? Break of a trend, isn't it? If you look
Yeah.
at theory books, that's your channel.
It's got
You went up, you
It's
came down, you went up, you came down, yeah?
Mhm.
Now, if this area does not hold, yeah? If this area holds, okay, let's say this area holds, yeah? If this area holds, where is it going to go?
It'll follow the trend. It'll bounce up.
Yeah, no, but okay. Okay, you can follow the trend and go to the moon to here. Okay, agreed. But roughly, where will it go first? All you need to do is see here, just draw a line in the middle. That's, you can call it a center of gravity, yeah? That's the middle line, isn't it? Middle line, yeah?
Yeah.
Huh? And then you can draw like a small line in between and a small line in between. Agreed?
Yeah.
If it bounces from here, if you take a buy, you are looking for roughly a target of around 44,000. Yes?
Would you bank it or would you hold it?
No. Idea is if we buy it at 36.44, when it
Yeah.
comes here, lock in 4,000 points.
Yeah. You put break even. Oh.
No, break even you get first, yeah?
Yeah.
Then as it's moving, you give it breathing space because it moves in thousands.
Mm.
So you put it at 36, you lock in 4,000. Then
No,
it goes up again, you lock in a bit more. Comes to 44, you lock in maximum you can, yeah?
Yeah.
Because here you can do that. If it keeps going at 44, you lock in more. So you got 8,000 locked in, yeah? Then it comes to the middle line, you lock in as much as you can, yeah?
Yeah.
See what I mean? So you locked in around 20,000 points then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Makes sense now? See, it makes sense because if it comes down, at least you're going to get 2,000 or 3,000 points, and then you see, does it do a double bottom? And then you go for it again, yeah? Makes sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
So now, say we got this trend line here, okay, and this bit here, and we said this, yeah? So all you do is measure that to there, yeah? Which is roughly there to there. Agreed? Yeah? This line here. This line, extend it to here, make a half of that. And you come to around the 25 mark, yes? Agreed? Everybody with me, against me?
Yeah. I understand.
Understand? So if
Yeah.
if it does that and comes down, then you know you're going towards this 25 area. And it is, look, A, B, pop up, doom, of you are. So that is why roughly I said around 25, yeah, without even looking at the thing. But don't worry, inshallah, from Tuesday we will be on it anyway. We'll be trading it live, yeah. Okay, so where are we now? Litecoin, similar situations, yeah, but it's very slow again. Ethereum. Look, this Ethereum line, we had put it here ages ago, 2880, as being very important. See how it went, the same trend line in here broke, boom, straight through. So comes a test it again, if it tests it or not, and then lower again. Yeah. these are the numbers for Ethereum, and these are the numbers for Litecoin. What is Ripple doing? Ripple has dropped a lot as well, yeah. Ripple, I think we went to nearly around 3 area, yeah. No, 1.3. No, 1.92, yeah. Okay. Okay, these here, oil, okay, these all we've done, yeah. Okay, Indian rupee, what is it doing? Oops. No, that's okay. Okay, guys, so any questions, anything, whatever? Okay, now please remember us all in your and our parents in duas, yeah. Juma Mubarak. Me as well. I will go out now as well, and Juma and Fatiha for Bapa and come back, yeah. So, any questions? Anybody? Anything or whatever? And also, please, I know today we didn't do much live trading because, like I said, today I didn't do live trading because of I haven't done full study of everything yet. It's like I said, today I just wanted to say hello to everybody and get back in the seat where as it were, yeah. So we will call it enough for today, and you can all put any comments you like in the YouTube section as well. Okay, so bye everybody for now then. Yes.
Thank you, Sarif. Thank you.
Most welcome. Yeah, most welcome, Sheena and everybody. Yeah. So bye everybody for now. Yeah.
Yes, Uncle Sarif. Bye-bye.